Two lives in one day, right? And if you're watching this, you are watching the replay. So, I have been in contact with Brett Chrismer's mustache wax. They reached out to me and asked if I wouldn't mind trying some of their wax. So he sent me a package. It actually came today. So I thought I would get on real quick and do like a little unpackaging of the sample wax that Brett Chrismer's, and I hope I'm saying that right. My English is horrible, even though I've lived here all my life. I just threw the mustache together. I got some work to do outside. I'll wash it out and try some of the mustache. But I wanted to show this. Hey, Firehouse, your package came for the orange uncorked prizes. So I've got the box and everything, and I'll contact the Chamber of Commerce. Let them know that portion came in. Thank you guys again. Oh, yeah, definitely. Well, thanks for joining, brother. So I'm going to be real quick. I got some work to do, but I got some sample waxes. Let's check out what Brett Chrismer's, and I hope I'm saying that right. I will have to tag him. Sent me some sample wax. So there it is. There's the logo. It's some pretty awesome logo. So there's one. Oh, let me read the back here. Unscented. So this is their unscented sampler. There's the logo again. This is Fireplace Embers. Ooh. You know, I'm starting to dig these scented ones. They're actually pretty cool. I mean, I love unscented wax. There's something about that wax smell that I just love. Redwood Embers. There's 3 samples in here so far. Let's see what else I got. Candy cane. Who's not going to love a candy cane? Oh, this is so cool. Definitely, if you get a chance, go over and give those guys a follow. Tobacco and rum. That is awesome. So it is Brett, and then CHRISMER''F, Brett Chrismer's, right? I hope I'm saying that right. I want to do the guy the justice. Tobacco and rum. Oh, there's one more in there. I think there's one more in there. Wow, there's a lot in here. Cherry tobacco. That is super sweet. Let me crack one of these open, a little twist. Give you an idea. This, I believe he said this is beeswax based. He's been tweaking some of the formulas here and wanted to know. All right, well, hold on. Cherry tobacco. Let's see. Ooh, not overpowering. Nice little hint of the cherries. That is really cool. I'm definitely digging these scented ones. So there is the logo for those of you who kind of joined late. What else do we got in here? What do we got in here? All right, a little handwritten notes. You guys know I love these handwritten notes. They're so personal. All right, let me make sure there's nothing in there's gonna turn on the waterworks. So, Bob, thanks for giving my mustache wax a test. I'm interested to see how it compares to the other waxes you've used. And I believe that is his signature down at the bottom. That is so awesome. Definitely, I will give you my honest opinion of how that I use it. And, oh, wow. So, there is some contact info for those of you who are interested. That is a really cool card. I love that little logo. Oh, you guys know I love stickers. Going to go on the he shed. Oh, this is so sweet. So I saw the other day, and I think what started this small love affair is I saw a post on his page, and it had somebody wearing one of the bandanas. And check it out. Look at that. That is super cool to get one of those. Thank you so much. That is excellent. So I got the bandana, I got the sticker, I got all these little sample waxes that I'm going to use. Redwood Embers, tobacco and rum. I got candy cane, fireplace embers, unscented, and cherry tobacco. Thank you so much, Brett. I will try these out as soon as that I can, and I will give you some feedback, let you know. I'm going to put them through the test, put them in, see what kind of mustaches I can make up. I believe Brett said that if not all of these, some of these are medium wax. So I love me a good medium wax. I love a good firm wax. I just love waxes, right? See, I did this with a little bit of hairspray today. I just wanted to throw it together. And look at that. It's kind of popping forward. I'm no expert when it comes to the hairspray stuff. But I just wanted to get on, do this quick little unboxing. Thank you guys for joining. Thank all of you who are watching the replay. Thank you, Brett. Let me show this card one more time with this awesome logo. Check it out. And then just, I guess, turn around to read it. I don't know. Anyways, I'm Bob, and this is Elliot Norris, my mustache. You guys have a wonderfully bearded day.